Okie dokie, starting with 10.4 WebAssign homework number 1. They say you're given the graph of f on -5 to 5. Find the absolute max and absolute min. If they don't exist, enter DNE. Absolute max is the absolute highest point on the graph. That's it. So the ordered pair there is 2 and 5 over 2. Absolute min is the absolute lowest point on the graph. So that is at -2 and -5 over 2. That was number 1. Is number 2. Same deal. Given the graph of f, find the absolute max and min. It's a little unclear, but they're saying that this is an asymptote here. So basically, whatever this y value is, that function will approach it, but never actually hit that asymptote. So let's start with the absolute min. The absolute lowest point is at 0, 0, without a doubt. Now, absolute min. We ask ourselves, is there an absolute highest point that this function reaches? Well, it approaches whatever this y value is, like the y value of the asymptote, but it never hits that highest point. So the idea, the logic is like, if you claim that like this point's the highest point, you're always going to be able to find a point that's higher than that point, but still like underneath the asymptote, right? So then you could say like this is the highest point, but then as you zoom in, you're going to keep finding points that are higher and higher. So basically the idea is there's no absolute max because there's an asymptote. You cannot claim there's one absolute definite highest point if there's an asymptote. Number 3. Once again, absolute maximum. Okay. Looking here, if it clears up, that's good. All right. Absolute max will be the absolute highest point, and notice it is at an end point, and that is okay. So that's 3, 1. That's the absolute highest point. That's a big difference between absolute max and, say, local max or relative max. For a relative or local max, you need there to be a change from increasing to decreasing. And so, you need that behavior. But for an absolute max, we can have something like this, where it occurs just at the end point, because all it does is meet that definition that it's got to be the highest point on the, closed interval or whatever they give you, right? So now, what is the lowest point? Is it the other end? Is the other end point? Nope. The lowest point is actually just down here. So this absolute min is at 0, -3. And along with being the absolute minimum, that would also be a local minimum because it goes down and comes back up. It's decreasing to increasing at that point. Number 4.
Yo, VT at Lasso, what's up, man? Hey there, man. Can we have chat real quick? Yeah, of course. Yeah, I just found out you're getting paid. You getting paid for these videos? Yep. No, yeah, I get paid. How much you getting paid for these videos? I don't know. Hopefully a good amount. Yeah. At the time of this video, I haven't made any money yet. Yeah, just to make a couple little videos, say a couple hokey dokies. Yeah, you're not wrong. I find it bull, frankly. Yeah. No, I get it. Do you not care about these students? No, of course I care about the students. Can I ask you a question? Yeah, what's up? You love football, you love coaching, you love the players. Would you coach football for free? Yes, I would. Yes, I would. But do you? No, I do not. Bye.